Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, lived an old shoemaker and his kind-hearted daughter, Emma. They lived in a small, cozy house, next to a dense forest. Every day, the shoemaker worked tirelessly, making beautiful shoes to sell. But the townspeople couldn't afford to buy them, and the old shoemaker grew worried. One night, as the shoemaker fell asleep, exhausted, two tiny elves appeared from the forest. They noticed the shoemaker's empty workshop and decided to help. The elves worked through the night, crafting the most beautiful pairs of shoes. By morning, the workshop was filled with shining shoes, ready for the market. The old shoemaker woke up and was amazed to find the shoes. He quickly dressed Emma and they rushed to the market. The townspeople were thrilled to see the beautiful shoes and bought them all in no time. The shoemaker and Emma were overjoyed. From that day forward, the old shoemaker never went without food or warm clothes, and Emma always had new dresses to wear. The elves continued to visit every night, leaving beautiful shoes for the shoemaker to sell. The townspeople were grateful, and the shoemaker and Emma lived happily ever after. One night, Emma stayed up late to thank the elves. She saw them working in the workshop and approached them timidly. The elves smiled and thanked Emma for her kindness, telling her they were repaying the shoemaker for the kindness he had shown to all the forest animals. From that night on, Emma understood the importance of kindness and the magic it could bring. She grew up to be a wise and loving woman, always helping those in need. And the old shoemaker and his daughter lived happily ever after, surrounded by the love of the townspeople and the magic of the forest elves. The end.